Today in this video we will learn about how to rate limit and secure your WHM root server via Cp-Nginx plugin. Rate limiting and securing your WHM root server is an essential part for website and security. For that, log into WHM root and then go to WHM plugin. Now here, go to Cp-Nginx plugin. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Cp-Nginx. Now here under Preferences section, go to Firewall. Now here enable various security settings. For example, enable DDoS protection and also enable traffic connection module. You can set all these parameters as shown here. In the same way, you can also enable slow low-risk DDoS attack protection and make these settings as described here. Once you are done with the changes, click on Update. If you want more security, then review other options and fill up other details as well.